So, question number 10, miscellaneous exercise. Look at here. Find the miscellaneous, that is your page number 498. Now the question is, find the coordinate of the point. Find the coordinates of the point where the line through -3 -4 -5 and 2 5 1 6 5 1 6 and 3 4 1 crosses the YZ plane. Okay, look here. See, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. There is a line. Say it is a point 516, B point 341, crosses YZ plane. Any point in YZ plane is suppose P. When you talk about YZ plane, any point is suppose P. What is the coordinate in YZ plane? X is 0, that is 0 YZ. Crosses YZ plane means was any point in the plane means in the YZ plane, that is 0 YZ. So find equation of the line AB that crosses the point 0 YZ. Okay, 2 points formula, remember. What is A vector here? If I join this is A vector, this is your B vector, this is your R vector. Okay, then A vector equals to 5I J plus 6K. B vector equals to 3I 4J plus K. Now what is equation of the line? Equation of the line passing through 2 points. 2 points form of line. Already I have told you what is that. Now R equals to A plus lambda B minus A. I hope you have not forgotten this. B minus A. So let's find what is B minus A. B minus A. 3 minus 5I minus 2I. 4 minus J plus 3J. So K minus 6K minus 5K. So you can write, therefore R equals to 5i plus j plus 6k plus lambda times b minus a is minus 2i plus 3j minus 5k. Look at again. R is a plus lambda b minus a. A means this point 5i plus a plus 6k lambda times b minus a already have found out. Okay, if you simplify it, R equals to, if I take I common, what will you get? 5 minus 2 lambda plus j common, 1 plus 3 lambda plus k common, 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay, so simplified. So now tell me what is R vector. OP equals to R vector. This is suppose equation number 1. R vector will be what? 0i yj zk. If I join to origin, R vector will be this. Now this is R, this is R. I can write. Now you can write 0i plus yj plus jk equals to 5 minus 2 lambda I, 1 plus 3 lambda j, 6 minus 5 lambda k. Now compare both the sides. 5 minus 2 lambda equals to 0. 5 minus 2 lambda equals to 0 implies lambda is 5 by 2. Got now lambda is 5 by 2. Y equals to 1 plus 3 lambda, because j and j are comparing. 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 plus 3 into 5 by 2, 17 by 2. Z equals to 6 minus 5 lambda. 6 minus 5 into 5 by 2. 12 minus 25 minus 13 by 2. Therefore, the point P zero yz, that is 0, 17 by 2 minus 13 by 2. Okay, this way you will solve. So 13, 11 is exactly same method. Next you see question number 12. Similar question, little bit different. Try to check here. Question is, find the coordinates of the point where the line joining three minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3 1 crosses the plane 2x plus y plus z equals to 7. Exactly same, nothing extra here. Here is total plane given, means the situation is like this. Suppose any point is A here, that is 3 minus 4 minus 5. B is another point here, 2 minus 3 1. This crosses the plane. There is another plane here. This is 2x plus y plus z. Suppose P is any point. If you join this is your R vector. What will be coordinate a point here? Any plane here. That will be x, y, z. Any point in the space now will be x, y, z. Now tell me same method. R vector will be xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, then means you want to find x, y, z. A vector, which one? This is your A vector. 3i minus 4j minus 5k. This is your B vector. B vector 2i minus 3j plus k. Okay, let's find out what is B minus A. 2i minus 3i minus I, this minus this plus j, this minus this plus 6k. What is vector form of line? Equation of line. Equation of line. R equals to A plus lambda B minus A, implies R equals to 3i minus 4j minus 5k plus lambda times minus I plus j plus 6k, minus I plus j plus 6k. So if you compare, you will get 3 minus lambda I minus 4 plus lambda j minus 5 plus 6 lambda k. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Comparing 1 and 2. This is also R, this is also R, means x is equal to this. So comparing 1 and 2. If we compare 1 and 2, x equals to 3 minus lambda, y equals to minus 4 plus lambda, z equals to minus 5 plus 6 lambda. So you would not get the value of lambda. What will do now? Now the point P passes through now the point P xyz is on the plane. What is the equation of plane? That was 2x plus y plus z equals to 7. Is the only difference now? So x, y, z value input करो. implies 2 into 3 minus lambda plus minus 4 plus lambda plus minus 5 plus 6 lambda equals to 0. So 6 minus 2 lambda minus 4 plus lambda minus 5 plus 6 lambda equals to 0. Implies minus 4, 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 lambda minus lambda minus 6 plus 1 5 lambda implies lambda equals to 3 by 5. So this is 3 minus 3 by 5, 15 minus 3, 12 by 5. This is minus 4 plus 3 by 5, minus 20 plus 3, minus 17 by 5, minus 5 plus 6 into 3 by 5, 25, 18, minus 7 by 5. Therefore, the point P equals to 12 by 5 minus 17 by 5 minus 7 by 5. So, see question number 13. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point to the point minus 1, 3, 2 and perpendicular to each of the plane. Each of the plane. Hello? नहीं दिया देखा each of the planes x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus z equals to 0. Okay, this is one of the important questions. Try to see. Your question is find equation of a plane passing through a point that is minus 1, 3, 2. First, step by step, let's go. So what is equation of the plane of the plane passing through the point -1, 3, 2 is x minus x1a, y minus y1b, z minus z1c equals to 0. ये तो फॉर्मूला है. Formula means you are getting x minus x1 means -1, x plus 1a, y minus 3b, z minus 2c equals to 0. What is this ABC here? ABC is the normal to the plane. E N. So you can write N vector equal to AI BJ CK. You got N vector? Everywhere when you talk about a plane, find its normal. Now the condition is this plane is perpendicular to two planes. So if I draw this line, one plane is this one perpendicular to the plane, then it has a normal also N1. So this is x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 5. X plus 2y plus 3z equals to 5. Then what is normal? Take out the coefficients 1, 2, 3. So I plus j plus 2j plus 3k. This plane they understood? This plane ABC, the coefficient of normal. Plane is perpendicular to another plane. Thus, so this plane is normal as I plus 2j plus 3k. Also, this plane is perpendicular to another plane. So that will be, which plane is that? 3x plus 3y plus z equals to 0. Okay, its normal also you find out. N2, how much? N2 will be 3i plus 3j plus k. 3i plus 3j plus k. So what we did is, required plane as a normal not given, plane perpendicular to another plane, I took out the normal from here. The plane is perpendicular to another plane, then again I took out the normal here. Now you have to compare what is the relation between n and n1. What is the relation there? Like this, perpendicular, one line this, one like this. You can write here n perpendicular to n1 implies n dot n1 equals to 0. What is n? You can write here AI BJ CK. Dot product of this and this implies AI BJ CK dot I plus 2j plus 3k equals to 0. So what did you get? 1a, 2b, 3c equals to 0. 2. Again n perpendicular to n2 A perpendicular to N2. That gives you AI BJ CK dot N2 3I plus 3J plus K equals to 0. So if I rub everything now, implies 3 into A, 3A, 3B plus 1C equals to 3. Below this you write equation number 2 and 1A, 2B, 3C equals to 0, equation number 2. So you have to solve these two equations to find the value of ABC. How to solve? Last time I have told you in the vector how to solve this question. Now A, B, C, remember B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. B1, B2 means B1, B2, 3, 2. C1, C2, 1, 3. A1, A2, 3, 1. Again B1, B2, 3, 2. You put the values now. Now A divided by which one? Product of this minus this. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. B by product of this minus this. 1 into 1 minus 3 into 3. C by 3 into 2 minus 1 into 3. A by 9 minus 2, 7. D by 1 minus 9, minus 8. C by 6 minus 3 equals to, suppose, lambda. Means x equals to 7 lambda, A. B equals to minus 8 lambda. C equals to 3 lambda. C is equal to 3 lambda. Where are you going to put? Using the value of ABC, using the value of ABC in equation number 1. What was equation number 1? That is point form. So that was point was minus 1, 3, 2. So it was x plus 1a, y minus 3b, z minus 2c equals to 0. So put the value of ABC. You will get x plus 1, 7 lambda, y minus 3 minus 8 lambda, z minus 2 3 lambda equals to 0. So divide by lambda, what do you get? You get x plus 1 into 7, y minus 3 minus 8, z minus 2 into 3 equals to 0. So find out what will you get? 7x plus 7 minus 8y plus 24 plus 3z minus 6 equals to 0. minus 8y plus 3z. This is 27. 7 minus 6 is what? 25 equals to 0. You can write r dot 7i minus 8j plus 3k r dot n plus d you can write 25 equals to 0. Okay, so you'll practice some questions like this. Okay, the question number 14. Is if the point P if the points, not P here, it is 1 1 P and minus 3 0 1 minus 3 0 1 be equidistant from the plane, equidistant from the plane r dot 3i plus 4j minus 12k plus 13 equals to 0, then find the value of it. Find the value of it. Okay, look at here. There is a plane here. This is, suppose, A point. This is your B point. Which point is this? 1 1 P. Again, equidistant from C point, that is minus 3 0 1. Means ये distance equivalent. So, which formula you are going to use? Distance of the point from the plane. What is this plane here? Plane is, if you write 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 13 equals to 0. This is the plane now. From this plane, distance of the point from the plane. Formula already I have given you. Distance of the point from the plane. What is the formula? D1, suppose ax1 by1 cz1 plus d by root over of a square plus b square plus c square. ये तो फॉर्मूला है ना. ax1 means 3 into x1 is 1. D equals to d1 equals to 3 into 1 4 into 1 12 into p plus 13 divided by root over of a square plus b square plus c square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 12 square. So how much you got? D1 equals to, this is 7. 13 plus 7 minus 12p. 20 minus 12p by, this is how much? 144. Then 69, 169 root over, that is 20 minus 12p by 13. Okay, now distance from here to here. Now distance also d2. This is now d2. d2 equals to same thing, 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3, 4 into 0, minus 12 into 1, plus 13 by 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 12 square root of 1. So d2 equals to minus 9, modulus is there, minus 9 plus 13, 4. Oh, there is a minus 9, minus 12, minus 21, then 13, 8. 8 by 13. Okay, now d1 is equals to d2, or you can write d2 equals to plus minus d1. Why plus minus? Because that point can be opposite side or the point can be also same side. Either this point also can be here equidistant. So that is why you take plus minus d1. So you are getting 8 by 13 equals to plus minus d1 was how much? 20 minus 12p I think. So 8 plus equals to 20 minus 12p. 8 minus 20 minus 12 is equal to minus 12p. P equals to 1. And 8 equals to minus 20 minus 12p. (28) equals to 12p. This is from this side, 28. So P equals to 28 by 12. 7 by 3. So remaining question in the next class.